Canon Mark V, a 5D Mark V, which is your kind of standard, sort of a more high-end camera, but we buy everything second-hand, so we don't buy anything new because it would be too expensive. So we buy our things second-hand, and we generally use a 35mm lens to film, and just sort of captures a bit of a wider picture, but you can have all sorts of lens to do. It just depends on the sort of style that people want when they are creating films, and there's different different films like Nikon and all sorts of cameras that people use. So people just have to sort of research what they want from them. Ideally, they kind of all do the same things, but it just depends on the sort of feel and the sort of style. And we just chose the Canon because we like the results that it gives when we film with it. And we've tested a few different types of lens, but this sort of gives us the best angle that we want. And we don't really use a tripod so much anymore, except when we want like a really static shot. But instead we use what they call a gimbal, which is a camera stabilizer. And I'll just quickly put it together so you can see how it works. Does anybody have a really small coin for me? Because I kind of needed to put this on.